In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Microsoft Teams, step by step, so you can start using it for work, school, or personal collaboration without any confusion. Let's begin by opening your web browser. This can be any modern browser, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar at the top, type teams.microsoft.com and press Enter. This will take you directly to the Microsoft Teams sign-in page. If you're using the desktop or mobile app instead of the browser, simply open the Teams application on your device. The sign-in screen will look very similar. On the sign-in page, you'll see a field asking for your email, phone, or Skype. Here, enter the Microsoft account or organizational account that's been given to you by your company, school, or that you created personally. Take a moment to type this carefully, making sure there are no spelling mistakes, and then click Next. You'll now be prompted to enter your password. Type your password in the field provided. If you're on a personal or trusted device, you can choose the option to stay signed in so you don't have to enter your credentials every time. On a shared or public computer, it's safer to leave that option unchecked. When you're ready, click the Sign In button. If your organization has enabled extra security, you might see a verification step, such as entering a code sent to your phone or using an authenticator app. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete that verification. This helps keep your account secure. Once the sign-in process is complete, Microsoft Teams will start loading. The first time you log in, it may take a few extra moments as it prepares your account and loads your Teams and chats. After it finishes, you'll be taken to the main Teams interface, where you can see your recent activity, teams, and channels on the left-hand side. From here, you're successfully signed in and ready to use Microsoft Teams. You can join meetings, send messages, share files, and collaborate with your colleagues or classmates. If at any point you're signed out, simply repeat these same steps. Go to the Teams website or app, enter your email, then your password, complete any security check, and you'll be back inside. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can confidently log into Microsoft Teams whenever you need it and get straight to your work or classes without any hassle.